Hazrat Sayyiduna Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu reported Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam as saying, "There are 99 names of Allah. He who commits them to memory would get into paradise." Allah, 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 Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, 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 Allah. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Al-Malik Al-Quddus, As-Salam Al-Mu'min Al-Muhaymin Al-Aziz, Al-Jabbar Al-Mutakabbir Al-Khaliq Al-Bari, Al-Musawwir Al-Ghaffar Al-Qahhar Al-Wahhab, Al-Razzaq Al-Fattah Al-Alim, Al-Qabid Al-Basit Al-Khafid Al-Rafi', Al-Mu'izz Al-Mudhill As-Sami' Al-Basir, Al-Hakam Al-Adl Al-Latif Al-Khabir, Al-Halim Al-Azim Al-Ghafur Al-Shakur, Al-Ali Al-Kabir, Al-Hafiz Al-Muqit, Al-Hasib Al-Jalil, Al-Karim Al-Raqib, Al-Mujib Al-Wasi', Al-Hakim Al-Wadud, Al-Majid Al-Ba'ith, Al-Shahid Al-Haqq Al-Wakil Al-Qawi, Al-Matin Al-Wali Al-Hamid, Al-Muhsi Al-Mubdi Al-Mu'id, Al-Muhyi Al-Mumit, Al-Hayy Al-Qayyum, Al-Wajid Al-Majid, Al-Wahid Al-Ahad, As-Samad Al-Qadir Al-Muqtadir Al-Muqaddim Al-Mu'akhir Al-Awwal Al-Akhir, Al-Zahir Al-Batin Al-Wali Al-Muta'ali Al-Barr Al-Tawwab Al-Muntaqim, Al-Afu Ar-Rauf, Malik Al-Mulk Dhul Jalali Wal-Ikram, Al-Muqsit Al-Jami Al-Ghani Al-Mughni Al-Mani', Ad-Dar Al-Nafi' An-Nur Al-Hadi Al-Badi' Al-Baqi, Al-Waris Al-Rashid As-Sabur Alladhi laysa kamithlihi shay' wa huwa as-Sami'